A former Tri-Cities pastor will spend 30 years behind bars. News Channel 11's Allie Hines was in the courtroom today when David St. John of Bristol pleaded guilty to 3 counts of child rape and 6 counts of aggravated sexual battery.
This time last year, David St. John was a pastor and worked for the city of Bristol. He turned 60 years old this year and will now spend 30 years behind bars for raping 2 children under 13 years old. We talked with the prosecutor today after St. John entered his plea.
Anytime you've got a child victim and a rape of a child, difficult situation, especially when you've got someone who was in a position like Mr. St. John was in.
Thursday in a Sullivan County courtroom, David St. John pled guilty to 3 counts of rape of a child and 6 counts of aggravated sexual battery.
He's not eligible for parole, any sort of release.
St. John is the former pastor of the now closed Bible Truth Baptist Church and former employee with the city of Bristol, Tennessee.
You have something like this happens and it kind of erodes your confidence in public figures, and that's why the state takes a hard stance in these type cases and wants to make sure that the public's protected from individuals like Mr. St. John.
Assistant District Attorney William Harper says family members of the victims are glad the case ended in a plea and that the young victims did not have to testify in a trial.
That was part of the process as far as the state was concerned in offering a plea. In this particular case, we wanted to keep the 2 victims, to both children, from having to testify, and this accomplished that goal, and also protected society by giving him a lengthy prison sentence as well.
St. John is not set to get out of jail until he is 90 years old. Allie Hines, News Channel 11 in your corner.
After serving his sentence, St. John will have to register as a violent sex offender and be placed on community supervision for the rest of his life.